Hey, what's going on? You have seen me unbox the Gyroor C1, the C1S, but now I have the C1 Plus, and with every unboxing, the scooter just keeps getting better. So let's jump right into it. The Gyroor C1 Plus packs a 1000 watt peak motor and a 48 volt 13.5 amp hour battery, giving you speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour and up to 30 miles of range. It has 14-inch tires, front and rear disc brakes, and can handle up to 300 pounds. You get two baskets, one large and detachable, plus a wide 11.8-inch deck for extra comfort or even small pets. It's foldable and all metal. So here it is, the Gyroor C1 Plus all put together. I did run into a little bit of a roadblock here. This fender needs to be straightened out. Back in there, it needs to get pushed down just a little bit. There's like a slot where this needs to get pushed down so that it won't rub on this back tire. It's not a huge deal, but I will have to drop the tire to adjust that with my Allen wrench, and hopefully we'll get the fender off of rubbing that tire. But I do like the little rear shocks and the blue accents. It's looking pretty good. I got the fender issue sorted out. It rolls smooth now, and right out of the box I can already tell that it's a big step above the C1 and the C1S. Immediately you can see that we have these big old 14-inch tires. I think the C1S has 12-inch and the C1 has 10-inch. I'll put a little chart up here on the screen that shows the difference between all three that I've reviewed so far. But the biggest improvement on this scooter is the 48 volt 13.5 amp hour battery. The other two are 36 volt. So you're gonna get a little bit more power and a little bit more range. Also, the max weight on the other two is 265 pounds. This one is 300 pounds. So you can be a little heavier when riding this thing. First things first, let's turn it on. Hold down the red power button. And while we're at it, double tap to turn on the headlight. It does have a headlight, and it's a half twist throttle with these outcrops that allow you to rest your palms on it. Over here on the left hand side, of course, you got a little bell that you just flick there, and the brakes are mechanical, but they are disc brakes. And you do have dual coil spring shocks to make the ride a little bit more comfortable, and you also have this massive seat, so you might get max comfort on this thing. And of course, we have our basket here that can be opened. A lot of Gyroor's advertising actually shows dogs sitting in these baskets, so if you have a little dog, that will make it easy to jump into its little basket there. And you also have these kick out pegs. If you don't want the basket, you can take the pegs off, you can take the basket off. This basket was easy to put on, and look at that, you have a nice tail light that, if I can reach, flashes when you brake. Now on the display you have your speed, you have your battery meter, and you have your tripometer. It's already in miles per hour, so that's nice. Might be hard to see there, but there are 3 different modes that you can switch just by tapping the button. And I'm assuming mode 3 is going to give us max speed. And here I am on the scooter. Don't worry, I'm gonna give it a full ride review tomorrow. I actually have something special planned for that. I just wanted to see, while it's pitch black, how nice this headlight is. And it is actually super nice. For how small it is, I don't think the camera does it justice. I would have no problem driving around at night. I got started pretty late on unboxing this thing, but like I said, I have something super special planned for the ride on the Gyroor C1 Plus, but I'm gonna put it on the charger overnight, and I will see you on the other side. I actually brought the Gyroor C1 Plus with me on a little road trip down to the Las Vegas area. In fact, I had some plans to ride it down on the strip, but I just saw that they passed a law where that wasn't allowed. But I wanted to showcase the portability of this thing. The handlebars fold down, pull out the seat, and you're pretty much ready to ride. see what kind of trouble we can get into. Ooh, a Cybertruck. Yeah, so I wanted to ride this around down along the strip. I thought it would be some really cool footage, but then I looked up where I could ride and it said that e-bikes and e-scooters are banned on the strip as of May 31st. And so I just missed the cutoff. Thought I saw a bike path over here. There we go. Kind of an old overgrown bike path down here, but figured I'd check it out. Looks like it has some lighting. I can already tell the power difference on this C1Plus over the C1S, and this definitely the C1. The top speed on this is 18 miles an hour, which I've easily hit. And there was also a hill by my house when I was out just kind of testing it last night, and it did just fine up the hill. Of course, it did slow down a little bit going up the hill, but the other two scooters just wouldn't even make it up that hill. So this is already a big improvement here. Hopefully it's not too dark going on this road, but I'm definitely showcasing the headlight here. Thought maybe this would be lit up a little bit more. It's kind of a little random bike path. This is the perfect little cruiser. The range they say is up to 30 miles. I believe that depends on the mode that you're in. If I was full throttle, I don't know if I'd make it 30 miles, but the battery is slightly bigger than the other two. Let's go check out this parking lot here at this casino. And I'm going 18.8 miles per hour. This is a good little get around scooter for sure. Wonder if I get in trouble for riding this in the parking garage. Might as well check it out, see what I can see. Yeah, this is kind of a hill right here. I'm making it up just fine. There was security and I didn't even get stopped.
You work here?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's like the employee parking area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they can't have you like wander around.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll get out of here.
You're good, you're good.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I see you're just testing, man.
Yeah.
Or you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're good, you're good.
Okay, appreciate it. Thanks for being nice.
Of course.
That was the coolest security guard I've ever met. And I will leave the parking garage so he doesn't have to worry about me anymore. That was way nice. I guess I was in the employee area. A nice little commuter to work. If I worked at that casino and lived close by, could totally use this scooter to get there. I mean, it is Las Vegas, so in the summer it would be pretty hot. Might as well cruise some parking lots. There's really not much more to say about this scooter other than I can really feel the power above the other two that I've reviewed. I know I've already said that. The disc brakes feel really nice. They are mechanical, but that's what you're gonna get on a scooter at this price. So I'll put the price here up on the screen. It's a really nice night just to be cruising around. I don't know if you noticed, but even going up those hills in the parking garage, I did just fine. I didn't have to scoot myself along like I've had to do with the other scooters. So if you're a bigger rider or if you plan on hauling stuff in your scooter in one of these multiple baskets, I'd definitely consider the C1Plus as your option. It's not that much more money and you're just going to be able to do a lot more with it. I feel really comfortable on this scooter, being about 215 pounds. This might be a good spot for a thumbnail. Let's try it. Right, thumbnail secured. 5.5 miles under my belt on the Gyroor C1Plus. Very smooth ride, very capable ride. But it is after midnight and I'm gonna head back to my hotel. Here we are. That was a fun little ride around this area. Like I said, I wish I could have taken it down on the strip. It just didn't work out in this video, but I still got to ride it in a new area. I was super impressed. I tested it on hills inside that parking garage. Of course, it did great around town on the street. Again, this is the Gyroor C1+. I will have a link in the description below for you if you're interested in purchasing it. And of course, Gyroor did send this to me to review, so shout out to them. Be sure to check out their website. They have a ton of different options. Anyway, that does it for this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know if this kind of scooter is something that you're looking for. And of course, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Have a great rest of your day.